If you want to keep your Facebook profile private and control who sees your posts and information, here's how you can lock your profile step by step. First of all, open your Facebook app and make sure you're logged into your account. Then, tap on your profile picture at the top left corner to go to your profile. Now, tap on the three dots menu next to Edit Profile. Here, you will see an option called Lock Profile. Tap on it. After that, you will see an explanation of what locking your profile does. It limits who can see your posts, profile photos, and stories to only your friends. You can also review how your profile looks to people who aren't on your friend list. Now, tap on Lock Your Profile at the bottom to confirm. Facebook will then lock your profile and you will see a confirmation message that your profile is now locked. If you want to double check, you can tap on View As to see how your profile looks to public or someone who isn't your friend. And that's all. Your profile is now private and only your friends can see your posts, photos, and stories. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more of these videos, and thank you for watching.